Welcome back to the mix. And here today we have Marcia on the mix. Now, Marcia is giving Queenie some advice. She's saying that Queenie and her are in the same age range. And she's stating that, that they have a lot of things in common. And she would really like Queenie to listen to her and to take her advice. Now, Marcia, and Queenie, they're always out there speaking their minds, and they're not afraid of anyone. They don't care who want to laugh and who want to judge or who want to talk about them. But today, Marcia is here. She's giving Queenie advice. Her advice to Queenie is that Queenie should let go of Joey and continue with her life because there's much more things available for her once she let that go. She's saying that Queenie should snap out of it because it's just a phase. So just go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And remember, have yourselves a wonderful Saturday.
Hello to my members only. Split Justice Evabless is back again. Queenie, my girl Queenie. I really truly likes you. Very much so. You remind me of myself. Very stubborn. And we just talk our mind and talk the truth without hesitations. We just do what we want and we don't like to take advice in many ways. But it's one thing for me and I have in common. Me not there with no young boy. And me not make no man use me nor abuse me. So me and I have that in common. Queenie, I want to let you know that you and I are in the same age group. And you don't need no young boy to disrespect you like that with your grown-ass children. I have made many videos talking to you. I understand when you love somebody, or even when you lack of love, you try to find it in the wrong place. People don't understand that the reason being you behave like that because you're trying to fill a gap of losing your daughter. You really don't love that man, You don't love him. But they don't understand that you're so deeply upset and you love your daughter so much that the love that you lost from your daughter, you're seeking the attention from that man, Dewey, and he's not giving it to you. And that is one of the reasons. But you really, truly knows that he don't love you. Well, Queenie, God gave you a daughter and she returned back to God. It happened that she returned back to God even before you. God must know the reason why he took her so early in life. We have to be fortunate that we live. But it's about time you realize, and it's about time you snap out of it that your daughter is gone. And whatever gap that you didn't fill in your daughter's life, you're feeling bad about it. Maybe the relationship wasn't so good with your daughter and things that you were supposed to maybe spend time with your daughter during her sickness. Maybe you were spending with do it. And so what happened now, I have a feeling that you're feeling guilty. Yes, you're feeling guilty. There was moments that when she was sick, you were in Jamaica with Dewey. And those are the things that now you're feeling so vulnerable. And you're allowing this man to take advantage of your depression. Well, Queenie, you have to snap out of it. Well, I'm here to split justice today, Queenie. You are strong. Tell yourself that you're beautiful and you're wonderful made. Tell yourself you can do it or do it. You don't need him. You were doing good before him. And you can do bad by yourself. You have your children that loves you. And you have your supporters them on social media that cares about you. But the people them on social media are tired of seeing you taking the abuse, mental and physical abuse from a young man who can't do nothing for you. And you do something for the man. As a woman, we never need no company. Remember, you know, Jesus, God, took a ribs from Adam and make a woman. So the woman come whole while Adam was broken. Because Adam have a share fame ribs to give to us. So we don't need no company. And the man them need company. The woman them don't need no company. We can do good by ourselves. Well, I'm here to tell you, girl, snap out of it. Queenie, may I give you one little psychology thing right here? A little thing. Da, 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 da. Snap out of it, Queenie. You're a star. Listen, just take your losses and done. It's like you buy a cocky partner and you never get no pussy jar good. And a lot of people rob we our partner jar. Cut your losses, Queenie. Tell yourself, say, you buy a cocky partner but you never get the pussy jar. Snap out of it. You can do bad by yourself. Fix up yourself, girl. Fix up yourself. And be a role model and an example to the strong woman that I know you are and to your daughters. Because you don't want them to come up and take up a man like that. You understand? So, snap right out of it. Big up yourself. If there is one thing you can take advice, it's to take advice from us. We don't want to see you suffering like that, crying like that, and them crying then so pretty on social media. You don't want nobody see you cry like that, honey child. Stop out of it, Queenie. Stop out of it. Make a little Marga cranny boy go about in business. Me know say Marga man carry good dicky. Me know that. Cause me did there with a Marga man. Married to one. Not there with one. Me did married to a Marga one. Size 28 waist. And when me look on the rotted piece of sinting we have, I couldn't believe say. Then come packing. So I have a feeling that do we probably have sinting packing. Or in name the pussy good. I tell you. Stop out of it. Queenie. I'm making go about your business. Life is too short. Snap out of it. Forget about the dicky. Forget about the name and the cratchy. Snap the hell out of it, Queenie. Split justice is out of here. Snap out of it, girl. And you can do bad by yourself. Snap out of it.